Imagine this. You're sitting at home, gazing out the window at the evening cityscape, and suddenly you get a message. Hey baby, you don't mind if I drop by, do you? Warmth spreads through your chest. Your lips curl into a smile. But wait, how did this happen? Why did she want to come over on her own? That's exactly what we'll talk about today. Stick around till the end. I'll tell you how to invite her over without pressure, without begging or humiliation, just hinting subtly, softly, turning an ordinary evening into something more. You do want her to want it herself, don't you? Not for you to plead or persuade, but for her to feel like not coming would almost be a crime. Oh yes, sweetheart, it's possible. All you need is a little cunning and an understanding of how her mind works. It all starts long before you suggest meeting up. A word, a glance, a small gesture. You know girls, they're just big kids who love games and intrigue. Say it outright. Come over. And she'll tense up, start thinking you're pushing, that you want too much too soon. But if you're gentle, if you create an aura of warmth and anticipation around her, she'll want to step into it herself. For example, you text her in the evening. Which scent do you like more, freshly brewed coffee or warm vanilla? What does that mean? It's not just a question. It's a hint. You're already painting a picture in her head, a cozy place, a fragrance, your home. And she thinks, where could I experience that? Her imagination does the work for you. Or imagine this moment. You're watching a show together, even remotely, and you casually drop. You know, there's an empty spot on my couch. It's definitely waiting for someone special. You laugh, keep it light, no seriousness, but the idea is already planted. She knows there's a place at yours where she'd feel comfortable. Here's the key, my friend. Women pick up on every nuance in your voice, in your words. If you're too direct, if your bolt is impatiently tapping the table, she'll sense it. But if you're calm, relaxed, if you're enjoying the conversation itself, that builds trust. You're not a predator, not some guy just waiting for one thing. You're a man whose company is good, even if all you do is sit side by side. You could casually mention, I bought some wine, though I'm not sure who'll drink it with me. Not an invitation, not a request, just a fact. Let her imagination fill in the blanks. Let her think. Maybe it's me? Another trick, genuine interest in her world. For example, you ask, do you like massages? Soft or firm? Again, it's a game. You're not offering, you're just asking. But now the idea is in her head. Your hands could be near her. You could give her that feeling of relaxation. One more way, talk about yourself in a way that makes her want to be part of your evening. For instance, you text, sipping honey tea, watching old movies. Funny how little it takes to be happy. You're showing her, you know how to enjoy the moment. You're not waiting for her like she's salvation from boredom. You're already okay. But with her, it'd be even better. And when the moment feels right, when the conversation flows easily, when you're both laughing and there's warmth between you, you drop an almost innocent line. Imagine if you were here right now. We'd have a little celebration. Though, who knows, maybe we still will. Not a question, not a proposal, a hint, and let her smirk and text back. Well, maybe I could? That's it, baby. You nudged her, but left the choice hers. The most important thing? Don't rush. Don't force things, don't get explicit too soon. Start with smiles, light teasing, small talk. Let her feel. With you, she can be herself. With you, it's safe. And with you, it's fun. Once she feels that, she'll start looking for reasons to be closer. You know what else matters? No pressure after the meetup. Even if you had an amazing evening, don't text her that same night. So, how is it with me? This is when you give her space to think, to feel. And if you played it right, she'll text you. She'll want to do it again. Remember, a man who knows how to hint, who doesn't demand or beg, always wins. Because women instinctively gravitate toward where they're not cornered. They need choice. They need play. And you're the master of that game. So, buddy, feeling ready? Ready to not just invite her next time, but to create a pull so strong she wants to come? Then go for it. And remember, it all starts with one light word, one subtle phrase. If you want more advice like this, subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more topics ahead. How to be attractive, confident, desirable, even if you're long past 50. And don't miss the other videos where we'll break down how to build intimacy, how to speak so she listens, how to touch her heart and body at the same time. It's only getting hotter from here.
See you soon, my man.
Don't disappear.